All right, let's go. I had to post. I had to post something. Posted a TikTok. Posted a short. Okay, what's good? We got some good. Should we buy gold? We got some good gold buys. Like we should have some good gold buys. And I'm gonna just tell you where I would have bought gold. So all my gold. Oh, let's delete this. Well, you can still buy off gold. It's just not a higher time frame. So I personally wouldn't buy gold, but if you do miss out, like I said, all the greats just miss out. Like anyone that like understands the market, don't be scared of missing out on gold. Even so, I don't want to be real like spoil you brat, but like if gold is just going so high up and you really think you're missing out, there's so much money to make on other pairs. Like you can like crypto is selling hard, though you just have to look at the market conditions. But like I said, everyone will always pick the hot topic, and that's why we lose. So for gold, in all honesty, like I said, I just posted the top. Patience is key. So even if gold is going up right here, which is a buy area, I don't like how it just came here and just went up. It's no structure for me, as you can see. It did come back and retrace, but like I said, how big you want your stop loss? So granted, it did do this, but like I said, it did hit right here, but it just wicked here. Maybe it comes back down again. So if it could come back down and doesn't break lows, like you see, this is where it broke out on a daily time frame. Broke highs at a daily time frame. This is where it's at. Let it come back to where it break out at. And where's the lows? This is the previous low right here. This is the previous low. Well, all honesty, this is the previous low, but you don't really want price to break here. So, like, so say if price comes down, you don't enter yet. You wait to see if price respects this type of area. It don't even have to touch here. It could just respect this area and come back up, and I will most likely buy, basically. And this would be like my stop loss. So if it come up to at least like one of my this golden area, I most likely say, hey, I might want to take some profits. Hey, I might want to re-enter. Hey, I might want to just keep holding. But as you can see, I'm not waiting on gold. I think gold is still going to shoot back down. It can just keep breaking highs. But like I said, you don't chase. You don't chase. You do not chase. You just wait for the perfect setup. Like you see, it came down here. Granted, you can go on a lower time frame. Like I said, even a lower time frame kind of tells you it breaks out of this one. Boom, new highs. This is the low. This is it. Boom. So this is the new highs right here as it breaks. This is the low before it break highs. So that's why I said this is a good area. Granted, on the day it can go lower. It can go lower. Like so, say look what the day did. It came here, came here. Granted, it can come all the way down there and come back up, but you don't really want to wait that long. Or if you do, that's just investing, to be honest. But like you said, this is the day it goes up, boom. In all honesty, you can go somewhere down here. I wouldn't want to because the 4 hour is showing you good structure because it broke out from this 4 hour jump, boom. So every time it break out, you see how I just make a golden box? Boom, it comes out. Boom, it comes out. Boom, it comes out. But you got to look at the lows. If it breaks back down from the golden box and it doesn't break lows and it show bullish momentum above the golden box as it come up, you can buy. And it works majority of the time. Just you just have to understand the structure of the market. The market is not hard. It's just so fucking it's simple. It's actually very simple. It just I take 1 to 2 trades a day because this don't happen very often. So the trade I'm in now, I entered this twice. Look at the trade I'm in now. And look, I'm like 4-0. Look, I entered this. Boom. It comes down, boom, comes back up. I seen a gap here, so I entered early, entered again, boom. What happened? It goes right back to the new highs. Boom, you get it, and then look, you go on a lower time frame and re-enter. Look, I just entered this one. I just entered. What was it today? Yeah, I entered this one today. It's simple. It's not breaking low, so if it come back above here, you know what's going to happen. Like the market is really simple. Like as long as you patient, it's simple. That's what I have to realize. Like you don't gotta trade every day. If you do trade every day, man, kudos to you, my boy. My boy, what's up? Like I said, I'm up on this. I'm about to pass the challenge. I'm not rushing nothing. You see, all last week I didn't trade GJ. Granted, gold look good. I just don't like some people might enter on gold. I just don't see no good opportunity for me. Not right now. At most, I could have entered here, but it happened so fast. I wouldn't want to enter because look how much structure just broke. Granted, I could enter here too. I could enter gold from right here. In all honesty, would I? Probably not. But in all honesty, gold can't go up. Like, in all honesty, gold is probably like the best to buy like now. Like, I'm dead serious. Like, I probably would have bought gold like right here. Really, you can still buy gold. Stop loss, like right here. TP, I don't know. I just leave it like this for now. I'm not saying this is the TP, but like once it hit here, I'll probably just close out. Like I said, gold. If I was in a rush to buy gold, I would buy like super right now. But I want to see more structure of gold. Like, granted, it's not a bad buy, but like I said, yeah, I ain't messing with gold. Like I said, I want gold to drop a little bit more. If gold could drop, fluctuate in this area and break back up, I could just hold for the long term and pass the challenge. Hopefully I could pass because I'm about to GJ just making me money. I entered twice off GJ. Um I entered when I seen this gap on Sunday. I entered Monday, and then I entered today is Tuesday. So I entered one on Monday, and then I entered another one on Tuesday. No. Yeah, I entered another one on what's it? Nah. I entered twice though. I think I entered both on Monday. Yeah, I did. I did enter one on Monday because it broke above, and then it broke above again. So I entered again. Because once this gap filled right here, I entered again. But yeah, and look, GJ is probably like my best pair I trade. Like I said, you ain't even gotta ride the trend. Just find what works for you. If you could really make money on any fucking pair. It's up to lot size, but GJ just super smooth. Like look at like GJ just super smooth, bro. Like it's super smooth. Really, and if I had to lose so much money off the prop, I would do so much entries. Like I would have entered here. It never probably lowered the stop loss. Enter here again, come up, enter here again, boom, enter here again, and wait till you hit here. That would have been 4 entries, but nah, I probably would have entered 1, 2, 3. I probably would have entered 3. I entered twice. Entered twice. I'm up running in profit. It's easy, bro. Like it's easy. Gold, like I said, imagine gold. It might hit here. I got a good. I don't like structure, so I probably wouldn't enter. But if it hit here, I wouldn't be shocked. I wouldn't be shocked. But I wouldn't be shocked. Um, Nas, I came back at break even. You know what's crazy on Nas? I was going to enter. It never hit my alert. You see, this don't never hit my alert. I was going to enter this bitch. I was going to enter a buy for like at least right here, and then I probably would have held. It's going to break. US 30 was better because look, US 30 did hit my alert today. Look, it did hit, and it did hit TP, but I never entered it either because I'm so good off GJ. I don't even care about entering nothing else. GJ just look way better for me as of right now. Like I don't really like how like I said, I kept saying I don't like how 30 or Nas really look. I love how GJ look. So if GJ could hit here, but it doesn't want to break, I'll probably just give it up. Because it's telling me, bro, why is it hitting this on a higher time frame and doesn't want to break? That means it probably just ranging. Like right here, look, it's just ranging. Bah, bah, bah. Once it broke out. We come back over here again, it goes to the same spot. It just follow trim. Even on lower time frames, you could get it, but higher time frame, you want to do it on a higher one because you just have to understand the market, and the market is not very hard to understand. It's really not. If it's going up, just wait some fucking days to it drop, and then just buy. In all honesty, that's like the simplest way you could explain the market. But a lot of people fuck up. Even I do fuck up sometimes because I be greedy. So now I just set alerts and I just wait. I'm good with entering 1-2 trades a day. You're not even supposed to look at the charts like you working a full-time job. I don't like the more I got into the charts, there's more confirmation on the higher Jones too. Even so, I be doing a 4 hour jump. I be getting like I got in 3 times off the smaller time frame because I'm looking at the 4 hour. So I'm like this jump right here. I'm like, all right, it's going up. Boom. I'm like, it's going up. If it comes back low here, maybe it's not. But off the 4 hour, I know I could go all the way up to here. Like I just exit here early just because I just put a TP when I fell asleep. But yeah, like look how much times I could have entered off small time frame. I was thinking about re-entering right here. I was thinking about entering this. I want to get one more entry. I was thinking about entering this today, right here. I was thinking about entering this today. Probably do this. TP. That's nice too. Look, I was thinking about entering that today. Just to keep adding on, basically. Like, okay, granted, I'll probably close that break even if it come back down, but I'm just following the 4 hour trend. I close this at break even, but I still leave this running because it's a 4 hour. It can, I'm not gonna lie. Like, if 4 hour come down to here, I still wouldn't close because it's not telling me it's down because it's not breaking low. Like, so if it come all the way down, like right here, I re-enter. Like, I'll do some type of re-entry. It comes down here, not really breaking lows. I'll probably delete this sometime in a week. Not come down here, not breaking lows. Like, so really, I'm just following the structure of the market. Cause even when I first started trading, it's like I think everyone know how to trade, bro. I'm not like when you really sit back and think everyone know how to trade. You can even say no, they don't. Everyone know how to trade. I'm serious, bro. I'm dead serious. Everyone know how to trade. But because even when I first started trading, when I ain't listening to nobody, I'm like, bro, the market just look like it's going up. And then when you just wait, buy, oh wow, buy. But when you trying to be in, I feel like when you try to be in it every day, that shit don't. I feel like you force stuff. I don't be looking at this joint sometimes. I just set the alerts now. Ever since I started the challenge, I only entered 4. Uh, I won 3, lost 1. Yeah, no, I entered 5. I went break even, lost 1 and won 3. So, so I only entered 5 trades in a matter of what? This is my 3rd week on this challenge. Yeah, this is my third. This is my 3rd week. I only entered 5 trades. And back in the day, my 3rd week, I used to enter like 88 trades. Now it won't too good. I'm scalping on 5 1 minute. Nah, I ain't doing that no more. I'm gonna just wait. I was gonna enter this today, but I don't really. I could have entered this, but this is what I'm gonna do. Instead of entering this, this is what I'm gonna do. Cause it might happen at night. You know, GJ still be moving. If it could come down here, it might go back in a negative. I don't give a fuck. But as long as it not, if it come over, let's look at the daily. Daily wise, I'll let it come down here. Cause daily is still bullish on daily 4 hour. Low key is still bullish. This is like I said, I won't. Yeah, I break this, come down. Don't let it break this. Like if it could come down here, don't break structure. Like you just said, follow structure. What structure do? In all honesty, look, all structure. It just look like bullshit, but it's not. Look, this is all structure do. Low key, it's just a lot of bullshit. Like so, like, look, I had to learn. I've been new to shit, but you just follow structure. Add your even on higher time frames. That's why I add like my bars, like my alerts, like lines. Like even if it comes down here and it comes here, this is my buy zone. It's just like where what I buy at, basically. So like this is what I do. This is where what I buy. So I just goes up. It's not breaking no fucking lows, and it comes back above. You can just buy. Or even if it's some ways you could buy early, like if it got gaps in the market. You could take I'm dead serious. You could take a somewhat of a risk if you could just see bam, bam, like it's not breaking support and you just see bullish momentum. You can buy. I really wouldn't, but I would only buy down here now if it was a gap. I used to be buying. Sometimes I still do. Like I said, I'm not fully disciplined. I'm just telling the honest truth. I used to buy sometimes, like when the market, like let's see. I'm gonna tell. Damn, move all this. I'm trying to delete this shit. Like, so say if the market came, let's delete this. Like, even look right here. It kind of shows. I wouldn't do it for this low of a time frame, but look, it breaks here, boom, it comes back down. It doesn't break no fucking lows. You buy here, it comes right back to the same spot because it's not. It's telling you it doesn't want to go. Because look, this is what I had to learn this about the market. If it want to go, like say if it breaks highs and it comes down and and it doesn't break lows, like it breaks lows, that means you don't buy. That's all. Like, cause look, it shows you when not to buy. Low key, it kind of shows you like when the market is just fucking revert. Like, let's look at another pill. It's so easy. It kind of shows you when the market is just like right here. In all honesty, boom, like boom, you buy, boom, you buy. You don't keep winning too. Boom, you buy, boom, you buy. It comes down, it never came back up or above here. So you don't even buy. But granted, it's such a bullish uptrend. You could have bought here and put the stop loss right here. And it worked. Look, it came here to here. It came here to here. Yeah, it's all it is patience, low key. It just it takes a minute. Like I would have bought here, I would have had to wait 3 days to buy again. Boom, bought here. Granted, you could scale in, but like I said, if you just want to make money the easiest way, that's why I'm trying not to scale in right now. Like I want to scale in so bad for GJ, but I scale in if it comes under here and breaks back above. I just scale in. But as of right now, I'm not going to scale in on GJ. I don't see GJ going this low, so I probably put it like right here, cause and I'm like I think I'm at like 108. Maybe it could hit 110. But if I know I could come in here and then buy again, I won't have to come all the way above here. Because if it stop right here, maybe pass. So GJ, I might just be done. I'm not gonna trade nothing else because fucking Nas, like look how nasty. Like Nas just look like it doesn't want to do nothing. But if Nas do buy, it's gonna fly off the fucking roof. Like you see, like even today, I was being patient. I wanted to buy. I was in all serious. I won't go and trade US 30, but I was gonna buy Nas because I said US 30 yesterday looked nasty. But Nas, look at it. I was like, if it come above this, I'm gonna just buy. I'm gonna just have to make a big ass stop loss. But it never did. It never wanted to go. Like you see, it's not bullish. So it's like, and it came right back down. Granted, if it come back up here, I will buy. But it's still kind of not breaking lows though. Like you see how it's coming above. It's still not breaking lows, but it's ranging. That's why I wouldn't buy so much. It's just the market it's just going like a ping pong. Bah, 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 bah. It ain't really doing too much. Cause look how much times you can enter. Boom, buy, boom. Don't you even gotta buy this. Boom, come back. You could have bought right here. You'd have been down for like 3 days. Boom, down for like 3 4 days, come back up, boom, you in profit, boom, you in more profit, boom, you can buy here, you could buy here, like it keeps working. In all honesty, you would have lost right here, and I think I did. I think this is the only one I lost because look, it happens so often. It's nothing in the market that's 100% though. Look, I bought right here, I was up, I'm like, yes, I'm like, if it hit here, I'm gonna just go break even, and then boom. But other than that, the market is beautiful. Beautiful, man. Look, what I say about gold. I said I wouldn't be shocked if it hits here, at least. Minimum. Oh, honesty, I would have wanted gold to it's just making it's too much, it's making too much higher highs though on smaller time frame. Like it broke here. It's not like look, so it came above here. Look how much times it just keeps breaking higher structure. Like it's telling you to buy low key. Like, look, so off the 4 hour, from here, it goes to here. Might go to here. It's still in a bullish uptrend. I wouldn't even sell. I don't care about this. It's just showing bullish momentum. All we hear about gold is bullish. So if you want to sell, even so, if you wanted to sell, where the fuck would you sell at right now? You don't know where to sell because it's just a straight drop. Like at most you can sell here. Like I'm being all honesty. At most you can sell somewhere right here. That's why I said even if you think this is a sell, at most you want to sell it's like right here. You don't want to sell like it comes down and then you want to sell. You're not getting full momentum. Off the 30, you talking about 30 and Nas. Like I said, I'm not trading that, John. I'm gonna just wait for GJ. GJ so smooth, man. GJ so smooth. So like I said, I'll just wait. Boom. It's making higher highs. Boom, we made another high off a lower time frame. Boom, I bought here. I done made the stop loss here because on the higher time frame, it's telling me anything that goes here goes here. So I wouldn't be mad, and I could just keep entering. So if it comes down here and it comes back above here, I enter again. In all honesty, it's just this is just like this is kind of like a somewhat guaranteed. But like I said, the market, like I said, look, it matched this high. It will always match the high before even breaking this. So like it could go like 88% of the times it will match the high before even making like another low. If it goes above here. At most, like say if it didn't break highs, it could tap this and it just smack back down and then you just went into it. But this is not a bad buy. I just wouldn't buy it. I'm not a big fan of gold once this drop happened. I'm just not a big fan. I still think it's going to hit here. I'm just not a big fan. 30. I'm not gonna say 30 is a good buy. It is above this gold area, but Like I said, I just don't like how so much times it happened. Like one, two, three, like it happened too much times. Like you don't want to see that happen too much times. Like is the market gonna go up or none? And then we could look at some crypto. I think it's a good time to invest in crypto. I wish I could pass this challenge, make like 3K and just invest it in crypto. We gonna delete all of what we said on crypto. And I knew this was gonna happen on crypto. It started dropping. I knew this was gonna happen. I wouldn't mind if crypto could come like right here. Like if Bitcoin could come like right here, oh, that would be perfect. You see how much time? Look, boom, it breaks high, right? Comes back down, comes here, comes down, buy again, comes here, equal highs. Comes here, comes down. Like I said, it doesn't work all the time. It comes down, comes here. Yeah. Like I said, I like Bitcoin though. Bitcoin might be a buy like long term, like very soon. Super soon. Like I want to get some crypto, bro. I need to hurry up and pass because I feel like when I pass, that's just like a free 2K. Like you said 50? Fuck. 50? 50? That's tough. I said, oh, it's kind of almost no. 50? Yeah, all right. If it goes lower than 50, like if it goes lower than he said 50, I said, yeah, if it go, I ain't trying to if it go any lower than 50, I think that shit gonna drop again. I don't think it should go lower than 50. Fuck no. Hell no. Nah, I ain't gonna lie. Like, yeah, 50 that's some like if it go like if I bought exactly at 50, I throw a lot of it in that shit. I ain't gonna lie. I just throw a lot in that bitch. I might just throw the bag in that joint. Cause even if it goes lower, like if it goes lower than 50, I just give up. Like so say where the hell is 50? 50 is like somewhere right here. So 50 is somewhere like right there. If it goes lower than 50, I'm giving up. Like I just like if it go like 48, I just get out. Because I'm thinking about entering somewhere up here. He's at 50. That'd be like a sniper entry though. I throw like way more in that bitch. But when it comes here somewhere, I'm not gonna put no alert. When it comes here, oh god. Yeah. Yeah, I'll go in too. Yeah, I see 50 and I just got some extra band shit. I'll go in too. Like, I wonder if Doge will ever take off again. I feel like it is. I just don't know when. Cause what it would have went to like 71. I feel like it's always gonna come back. It just never broke above here, low key. And then once it comes above here, it's fucking over. I feel like once it come above here, I don't even think it's gonna hit here. It's just gonna go to like $2 or some shit. I don't feel like it's going like what it did like when it was low. Like it ain't even going. It's just gonna go to like $2. But I don't know what Doge is gonna do. I feel like Doge is going to break out eventually. I really do believe this coin might break out eventually. I just don't want to be that person that be like, I should have invested at 10 cents, which it is now. I just think Bitcoin could drop. If when Bitcoin drop, like if this shit is like 8 cents, I buy. I'm not even trying to joke. I buy like 2K. I got a little savings. Hopefully I can pass. Well, I don't think I'm gonna pass when it hit 8K. I think this shit gonna hit 8K very soon. 8 cents. I'll put nah. I'm a diverse it though. I think this is just gonna make me the most money. I'm trying to be greedy. Cause look, if this go to 8 cents, imagine it just going to 40. That's just like 5x in your money. I just 5x my money if it just come back on 40 cents. And then if it go above here, God knows what I bought at 8 cents. It go to $2. That's probably like fucking. That's probably like 25x. I probably could turn 1K into 25,000. Right, you can turn 1K, bro. Because once it breaks above here, I think it's gonna go to like $2. I don't think it's gonna go to like it ain't going to 70. It's going to 2 because it's like it's been too long. Yeah, I'm a 8K. I'm saying 8K. I meant if it go to 8 cents, I would put an alert. I really I put a ban in. I'm not because Dogecoin look like it might stop dropping soon. So we gonna say like 8 cents. Let's see. It let's see. Hmm. Feel like it can. Hmm. I I just I just feel like it's gonna rise so soon. People don't talk about it when it's down, bro. It's just I really feel like this shit is about to pop. Every time crypto is quiet, niggas don't say nothing. Y'all gotta say something now, bro, because we seen this shit too much times. Like, look how much time. Like when Bitcoin was rising. Remember, it came all the way back down here, back down. We was like, oh my gosh, we can't buy. We still can't buy. This shit went right back here and just took over new highs. What? Did Bitcoin ever come back down to 13? If Bitcoin come back down to 13K, no, I don't think it come down that low. Fuck. I don't know. Cause it's kind of mirror. About 3. Ah, it kind of mirrors. It might come up. But if it does go back down, I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. Nah, I just wait for Bitcoin. They have to show me something. I would want it to come down and then come back up, but like I said, the structure of Bitcoin, I don't really look at that shit. Ethereum, woo, is that joint back at almost at 1K? What about Ethereum? Oh, wow, Ethereum look nasty. Ethereum, woo. Let's see, Ethereum. I don't know. Ethereum is just one of them shits I just buy. I don't know. Like, cause I wouldn't know where to buy. I just buy when it's low, like now. I wouldn't even know when to buy this shit. I feel like it can't. I just feel like it can't go that low, right? Because even if you buy a 2K and it comes back to highs, it's at 4, you doubled your money. Ooh, Solana. Oh my god, Solana. I don't know. It's I bought Solana. Yeah, I bought Solana. I would personally. Boom, buy. Boom. Comes back above, buy. Never hits. Never hits. That's why I don't know. I just know it is kind of consistent. Where structure on crypto is kind of different. Hmm. I don't know. If it does, I don't think it's like I said, it's all I think it's all on Bitcoin. Let me just look at structure for Bitcoin. It's all on Bitcoin. It structure drop again. Whoo! I don't know where it's going. Low key. It'll be a safe spot. Cause even if you buy at 8 cents, what is gonna go to a fucking 4? You're gonna have 500 instead of 1,000? Nigga, it's 8 cents, bro. It's such an advantage buying fucking Dogecoin. Because where the lowest it went? 5 cents? Damn. Imagine buying that 5 cents. Where is the low? Like, you could have bought 5 cent Doge. It came up, breakout. It might just play around low key. Come out, play. You know what? I would buy 8 cents. I would. I'll buy. I'm gonna just buy a little bando, and hopefully I can get $5,000. No, 1,000. 8 times what? 8 times 5 is 40. So if it hits 40, that'd be 5 bands. If I take out 2, get 2K and leave it the rest just running for a fucking lifetime, I'll be good. So yeah, I just take 2K out. Like if I could enter at 8, leave it at 40 cents, take out really like 1.5, leave 3.5 in, because I just get my 1K back, just get a little extra 500. Get a little extra 500 back and just let it float. So even if you do lose, you really didn't lose nothing. It's either you're gonna lose nothing. Cause think about it. So say if you enter the 8 cents, it hit 40. Don't even take out the whole shit. Just take out like what you put in 1,000. Take out 1,000 and 500. You can pay yourself a little bit, or take out 2,000. You'll still have 3,000, and either it's gonna come back to break even. You're gonna lose that shit, but you took out 2,000, or your ass is going to break highs, and your ass is going to be like 20K up. So it doesn't. I think it's a win regardless. Cause look, buy 8 cents, win 2K, lose. You won 1K. You won 1K. But if you buy here, take out 1K, comes all the way above here, you won like 15. You won like 17,000. It's a win-win. Honesty. You won 2K. Well, I must be on honesty. You won 1K, or you're gonna win like 14K. It's a win-win. Because even if you buy 8 cents, just wait till it comes back up to at least 40. Because even if it come at 40 now, I still think I think it's just gonna break. So I think this is like the last. It's not gonna play around it's been playing around like this for fucking 4 years. So look, since 2020, like, yeah, since like, yeah, 2022. It's been down here for 4 years. And gold kind of showed us that too. But no, I can't compare gold to fucking crypto. That's unfair. That's super unfair. Structure don't work like that's super unfair. But look how ranging, like, gold was just like this for like a year and a half. So once it popped out, I was like, yeah, it's down to pop. I ain't know it's gonna do this, but the world needs gold, so shit. But Doge, I'm on 8 cents head hard. But that's all I got for today. Posted some more talks. I'm gonna post daily up there. Um Stocks, I don't really care. I'm just trading what I could trade. Like I said, I know everything is the fucking same, low key. If a company is good, just fucking buy when it's low. That's the best I could say. Like Meta, I really didn't know when Meta was like when it was dropping. I didn't know when to buy, but buying like if I just bought randomly here, it would have been in profit. Even if I didn't, like you just don't have a stop loss, you just wait. I would have bought what in December. In all honesty, granted, it would have took me a month just to come back in profit, but we know Meta is not gonna fail you unless it's like a recession. And even if it is a recession, it's still gonna come back unless it's just a failing company. Meta is not no failing company. It's like fucking Apple. It's like the safest route you can do. Like Apple, like let's look at Apple. Where the hell Apple at? All right here, I spent like it's like Apple, like you know it's gonna go up. But yeah, that's all I got for today, man. I just be looking at these charts. Don't look at it too hard. Don't think too hard. Just put an alert and take a fucking seat. That's all you gotta do. But yeah, I'm out. I'm gonna be on this joint tomorrow. Let's see what DJ did.